much preparation that they do here in the street of Kolkata, right? Look guys, just look at this massive pot, right? So this brother is making something. Hello bhaiya, kaise ho aap? How are you? ठीक है. So what are you making? Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Guys, आप लोग कैसे हो? ये आपका दोस्त John. Today I'm gonna show you, the way they prepare, street lunch here in the street of Kolkata, right? This video is gonna be crazy, guys. Watch the vlog till the end, and and if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. Let's go explore this place. So I'm gonna head up to a place called Park Street. So let's go begin this vlog. Let's go, guys. Right, as you can see, that's the AG Church, right? So I need to go, in that lane there. So let's cross the road, right? Let's cross. What are you making? आप क्या बना रही है?
ये सब्जी है.
Sabji. Right, guys. This is called the sabji here in the street of Kolkata, right? Sabji is the curry, right? They make this with potato. इसमें क्या क्या डालते हैं आप?
सब किस्म का मसाला डालते हैं. सब्जी का मसाला जो होता है.
Right. Guys, this is crazy, right? Now they have potato, right? White pumpkin, and that's the fried fish, and they even have eggs here. Just look. All of these pots are full with curries, right? This is the fish curry, right? Look, I'm gonna show you. This is the fish curry that they, freshly made here in the street of Kolkata, right? This is the lunch that they are making over here. Now this brother is making something in the giant pan. Hello, brother. कैसे हो आप? How are you? What are you making? आप क्या बना रहे हैं?
चोखा बना रहा है.
Oh, right, guys. This is the smashed potato, right? And he have this, spices in this. So he's gonna put the smashed potato inside this, giant pan. So basically, he has onion, Indian spice, and mustard oil, right? And what's that? आप क्या बना रहे हो बोला?
करी है, अंडा करी.
Anda curry, right? Guys, this is the egg curries, gravy that they're making. Here on the street of Kolkata, you call it anda curry. Anda means egg, right? And this is, potato fry that they just put inside this pan here, and this is the cauliflower curry, right, made with potato and cauliflower. Look guys, it's crazy. He just dumped the smashed potato inside that big pan with all the spice in it, and they even have all kinds of fries here. This is potato and a vegetable called potal, right? And that's potato with potal. It's same. This is the cauliflower, curry. That one and that one is the same, Look guys, it's crazy. Look guys, just look at the utensils, right? So many. Hello bro. कैसा है तू? कैसा है तू? ठीक है. Look guys, it's crazy. It's just so crazy, they are making so much curry over here in this big pan. It's insane guys. ये कितना किलो का होगा ये? Handy कितना? Guys, you see this massive pot, right? This is 40 kilo capacity, right? So it's crazy. And this is the lentil that they made over here, right? In Kolkata you call this dal, right? Look guys, it's crazy. And they even have papad. This is some sort of a fried item, and they're making the rice in the giant pan here. Look guys, this is the rice that they're gonna make. They are boiling the water in that, and this brother is washing the. Just look at the utensils. It's crazy, man. So they are preparing this for the lunch, you know. For lunch, you know. It's crazy, guys. That's the fish fry and the egg. And in Kolkata you call this, you know, aloo chokha, right, bhaiya? Hai na? Aloo chokha. Look, guys. In Kolkata you call this. Sorry. In Kolkata you call this aloo chokha. So aloo chokha means, you know, they put the, you know, they fry onion in the mustard oil, and they put, you know, a chili and, you know, some turmeric and things like that, and they put the smashed potato, and they, you know, cook it on this very big giant pan here. So it's called the aloo chokha here in the street of Kolkata. It's crazy, guys, you know. Right now the time is about, you know, 9:30 in the morning, and they are preparing this. And these brothers are, and this is the fish curry. Look, guys. And these brothers are cooking something here as well. Hello, भैया. इसमें क्या बना रहा आप? Aloo dum. Oh, guys, they are boiling the potato in this giant pressure cooker, right? And they have all different kind of, you know, vegetables here, right? Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Look, that's the cottage cheese. So, आप इससे सब्जी बनाएगा? And what are you making in this one? Chili paneer.
Chili paneer montunier.
Oh, guys, you have seen, you know, chili chicken, right? So this brother is making chili paneer. Paneer means, you know, cottage cheese. That's how it is. Veg Manchurian. Okay, brother. Okay, thank you. You have a good day, yeah? Thank you. Okay, guys, it's crazy, you know. Right now the time is 9:30 in the morning. That's how they make, you know, street lunch here in the street of Kolkata. Look, guys. इसमें और कुछ डालेगा आप? Chicken. Oh, guys, they are making the chicken curry. That's the fried potato, right? And they already, you know, made the spice or the gravy, right, with the Indian spice, and they're gonna add chicken. You know, they're gonna fry the chicken. That's the fried potato, and this will be the chicken curry. It's crazy, guys. And you see this, you know, unique kind of, you know, knife. This is called the baiti, right? Look, guys. That's how they cut the vegetable, you know, here in the street of Kolkata. It's crazy. आपका नाम क्या भैया? What's your name? Nice to meet you, bhai. It's crazy, guys. And this is the lentil, right? And they are making the rice. Look, this brother is washing the rice here, right? So after he, you know, washes the rice, he's gonna put the rice in the giant pan, right? So that's how they make rice here. Okay, brother. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. Dost, bye bye बोल दे, bye bye बोल दे. Hey, bye bye बोल. Bye bye. ठीक है. All right, guys. That was me trying to show you the, you know, street lunch preparation here in the street of Kolkata. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please subscribe, right? This giant pot of curry is ready. Look, guys, finally the rice is washed and they are putting the rice in the giant pan. तो भैया एक दिन में कितना आदमी को सर्व होता है इधर? 500? 250 500 सॉरी
250 दिन में 250
350 तो टोटल 500 आदमी 550 guys in one day you know they serve 500 people or customers, right? It's crazy. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. It's your friend John. Let's make memories, love, peace. I will see you in my next vlog. Please subscribe guys. Bye bye.